I think the whole idea of doing that workshop was to make sure that we don't miss anything, we don't leave any stone unturned. Some of it may seem very basic, it may seem like a refresher that we don't need, but the fact that it was so comprehensive, I think, is perhaps the reason why I wanted it to happen in the first place. So I am really happy we did it. I think eventually once we're out there and we're driving, some of this is going to come back to us, and I'm sure it'll help. Well, we split it into two, so that we had one which was really to do with the kind of editorial content we're going to be looking for across the different media, and then also the route discussion and just all the logistics, etc., so that everybody's on the same page. So I think that was very crucial, because we've been having mails being exchanged, we've had lots of parallel conversations. Getting everybody into one room and having that discussion was good. And then of course we've come here to the Mercedes-Benz showroom, where again, going over the two vehicles that I think all of us know really well, but it doesn't hurt again to just get a little bit of a refresher, because we drive these cars, we drive a whole lot of other cars, that's what we do for a living, and so it's nice to sometimes just quickly go over a few points so you're reminded, or in some cases maybe there's something that you find out for the first time. So I think going over some of those basic things, and the fact that even on both the cars they're different. It's not like if it works one way on this car, it's going to be the same on the other. I think that was the best part for it of it for me. The whole idea was, I mean, when the first idea of doing something like this was born, it was very clear that we had to do 6 continents. I mean, how do you qualify around the world? Once you make up your mind that you're going to do something as crazy and as outlandish as 6 continents, then how do you decide which countries? Because of course there's so many countries, and frankly there's so many places we'd love to go to. There are many places we'd like to include. We have certain constraints that we have to keep in mind, time being perhaps the most crucial. So trying to formulate the kind of route which not only helps us to explore different continents for their different cultures, but also the different kind of terrain. I think being able to go across all these varying terrains, also in a time frame that spreads over 6 months, which means different kinds of temperatures, different kinds of climates. I think all of that became key and crucial, besides of course making sure that the logistics are working as well, even the costs are falling into place. So I think it's been a function of combining all of these things and yet coming up with something which isn't a compromise. I think that in that respect we're pretty happy with the route. It's very comprehensive, and I think it's going to be stunning. I have goosebumps just thinking about the fact that we've talked about it for a while, we've planned so much, but now finally D-Day is drawing near. We're going to finally get out on the road, and we're going to finally just start to lap up all those miles that are coming our way. I think the idea of doing this, of course, is something we've all now digested. We know we're doing it, we know how daunting a task it's going to be, but I think it's the experiences along the way. That's what I'm looking forward to. I can't wait for it to unfold. My expectations from the journey, there are so many. I mean, I wish I could tell you this in a very simple, short answer, and they're on many levels. So I think while, of course, we'd love to have fun and we'd like to be able to do a lot of exploring, discovering new places is something that I've always enjoyed. So that's the part I'm looking forward to the most, and I'm hoping that it's an exciting discovery. It's not just something which is either along expected lines or it's cliched. I'd like for it to throw up some surprises, all pleasant surprises and all good ones.